Guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. It is 11:05. Today, didn't really do anything like so exciting. Again, went to cheerleading. Can't film there because there are other girls. But I basically went there and came back home. Basically being here. Just getting things done around the house, cleaning up. And I just saw The Good Doctor, the season finale of The Good Doctor. If you don't watch that show, oh, you're missing out. I'm sure you can find it on you can stream it, things like that. But oh my god, I love that show. Ever since I saw the preview, I guess you would say, of it. It just really grabbed my attention because of the story, of the message behind it, of a person, of a man who has autism but is a savant, and he is brilliant and he is a master of his craft. He knows his stuff. He is a genius in the medical field, and it just shows that yes, he has autism, but that's not it's not a crutch. He is still very talented, a very talented doctor, and just shows his journey, and what he has to deal with by having autism. And I just really love the message behind it. I think it's because in college, I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I do have my bachelor's in Spanish adult education. And when I was in school to get my degree, I took a class with for students with disabilities. And I'll never forget my professor in that class. She always said, people are people. Don't ever describe a person with disabilities by that disability. For example, for a person with autism, don't say an autistic person. Say a person with autism, because yes, that person has autism, but that does not define that person. Or somebody with dyslexia, don't call them a dyslexic person, because yes, that person has dyslexia, but that doesn't define them. But that really stuck with me, because I don't think a person with disability is defined by that disability. That's what I'm trying to get at. But yeah, so that really stuck out with me, and ever since I saw the pilot of that show, I have been in love with that show. I watch it every single week. If I can't watch it, I make sure to DVR it. But today was the season finale, and oh my god, I was like, no, why? I was like, if you don't watch it, I don't want to say anything, because I don't want to give out spoilers, but go watch it. And now, I've never seen the Hallmark Channel, but I've recently been watching it. I found it on my TV, and I've been watching it every single day, because they have Christmas movies on. I am hooked to it now, I'm not gonna lie. Right now, let me tell you, right now it is Christmas Encore. And the one before this was a Veterans holiday, Veterans Christmas. And I always watch that movie, but I never see the ending. Damn it. And I missed it again today. I will watch the ending to that movie. I will say that. But yeah, I'm guessing I'm just gonna talk about the shows that I've been watching. My favorite shows. Let's say that. So now, well, I'm gonna say The Good Doctor, the Hallmark Channel. That's not a show, but it's a channel. Go watch it. Now, and then I'm not gonna lie, the Good Amsterdam, another medical show. I love it. I love the actor in it. I love his whole his character. I love his whole vibes of he's just there to help people. He's there to be a doctor. He's there to help people in any way, shape, or form that he can. And I love that. And I love the stories behind, just everything that goes around in that happens behind closed doors in a hospital. I remember being to the hospital, when I was having my son and my daughter and stuff like that. But I know all I saw were faces I don't know the story behind them, but just to like see shows like that, like a medical field, like seeing what their interactions are like. Yeah, it's a show, but it gives me an idea of what it can be in a real hospital. So I love The Good Amsterdam too. I've seen a couple of shows of The Rookie. I'm not gonna say I watch every single one because I don't. I do watch every single show of The Good Doctor and Good Amsterdam. Another show that I was actually really like into was Manifest. I'm pretty sure that's the name of it. But I only saw like a couple of episodes. I didn't keep up with it, and so I was like, I'm okay with it. What other shows am I really into? 9 Day Fiance. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't watch every show, but when I catch it, it's juicy. I'm like, damn. But I used to be really into like Bravo shows, like The Real Housewives. Another was like Vanderpump Rules. I used to be really into that. I did watch part of the show today where, should I just say it? I'm just gonna say it. Spoiler alert, where Jax proposes to Brittany. But I haven't really been watching it too much because I feel like those shows just suck the energy out of me. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like shows that, you know, I don't know. They're just not doing, they're good for entertainment, but other than that, like, just not my vibes. The Food Network, that is my jam. I feel like I am a pro just by watching the Food Network. But if you follow me on Instagram at stephNchanted, but if you follow me on Instagram and you saw my live on Friday, because for my son's birthday I made a smash cake. Huge fail because my dumbass put the smash cake in the fridge. I made it at 2 p.m. and around like 9 p.m. was when I was supposed to smash it. Well, my dumbass put this cake in the fridge. By the time I took it out, that thing was like rock solid. Like there was no smashing into it. So just because you watch the Food Network does not mean you know how to bake. But luckily, you know, we took out the actual cake and it melted, so he was able to smash that. But yeah. Alright guys, that is it for this Vlogmas because I feel like I'm just going to ramble on even more. And so yeah, just my favorite shows for this season, I guess, because they're all having like season finales. But yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow I will definitely be getting like the tree up. I'm not sure I'm going to decorate it, but I'm definitely going to get the tree up and start getting the decorations out to decorate my house. So hopefully tomorrow is the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.